Hey guys, in this video we will look at the best touch kitchen faucets in the market. So, if you are looking to buy one, then this video is for you. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 1, Delta Faucet. It is among the popular touch kitchen faucet. If your hands are filthy or engaged with something, Delta Touch 20 technology will help you in such a way that a simple touch on the spout or handle can activate prompt water flow. The special configuration that it belongs is, if any kind of uncomfortable situation arises in water's temperature or any other situation, the color of Delta temperature sensor LED light will change to make you alert. The powerful magnet used in Delta magnetite docking helps to hold your pull-down sprayer into its place when it's not being used. Its shield spray technology and the concentrated jet power installed into it will clean stubborn messes with laser-like precision. The innovative water shield technology leads you to waste less time in soaking and scrubbing. At number 2, Acer Touch Delta Faucet. It is commonly used by users as well. The Delta brand is trying to produce soft contemporary design by combining modern technology in Acer kitchen collection. Their purpose is to use water to transform in the way that people feel convenient to have in their daily chores. It has brought quite innovative features like Touch 2.0 technology, magnetite docking, and diamond seal technology to extend its reliability and performance. When your hands are engaged, you can freely use it as you can activate the water flow by giving a simple touch anywhere, either spout or handle. It possesses 2-in-1 shower with an integrated shower head and hand shower, which leads you to get water anywhere you need. The Temp Sense LED indicator light installed into it changes color to reflect water temperature. Its magnetite docking technology consists powerful magnet to keep your kitchen sprayer remain docked in its place. Its touch clean spray holes allow you to quickly wipe out calcium and lime buildup with the touch of a finger, so you don't need to soak utensils or use chemical cleaners. At number 3, Leland Brushed Delta Faucet. Delta brand is focusing on bringing genius ideas to make great products that fill your necessities. Their products are beautifully engineered both internally and externally. By using consumer-inspired innovations like Touch 2.0 technology, magnetite docking, and diamond seal technology, they have intended to make such kitchen faucets that will highly meet your needs. Its Touch 2.0 technology lets you turn your faucet on and off with just a touch. 2-in-1 showers helps to reach the water where you need it most using an integrated shower head and hand shower. Magnetite docking uses a powerful integrated magnet to dock your pull-down sprayer into its place. The concentrated jet power with shield spray technology cleans with laser-like precision while containing mess and splatter. Delta kitchen faucet with diamond seal technology upholds a patented design, which reduces leak points and lasts twice as long as the industry standard. At number 4, CWM Touch Kitchen Faucets. Users recommend this as well for its super adaptable qualities. The qualities are sleek fashionable style, 360 degrees swivel nozzle, 304 stainless steel build, assistive touch control technology, and pull-down sprayer, which is increasing its acceptability. Its 360 degrees rotated gooseneck swivel nozzle perfectly matches with modern style kitchen decorum, and it highly helps you to reach and clean corners with its movable capacity. So, if you are looking for a newer version and modern style touch kitchen faucets, it may be a good example. Its hot and cold water inlet hose is included with 9/16 UNEF, 3/8" compression female thread. It allows you to enjoy a flush experience as you can use both hot and cold water pipes. The high-quality ceramic cartridge can reduce leak point, and the faucet hose are made of food-grade materials which are safe for daily use. By studying many other similar touch kitchen faucets, they updated the threaded rotary installation method into an embedded installation method when installing the sensor. So, you can easily install it without any support. At number 5, TNLO Touch Kitchen Faucets. Komalangma Touch Kitchen Faucet is one of the most chosen faucets among users. Komalangma is committed to make every individual's kitchen more convenient and smart, and adding a new dimension in kitchen faucets. Its Touch 20 technology helps you to turn on and switch off the faucet with a single touch anywhere on the faucet's body. The quality and reliability of this touch sensor kitchen faucet is certified, as it is made of high-quality 304 stainless steel and lead-free 304 stainless steel constructions, which is quite solider and stronger. Its pull-down 18.5-inch flexible commercial hose is a very practical innovation for the busy kitchen. It provides greater advantage and flexibility to make your everyday tasks more convenient. The brushed nickel finish prevents the surface from having fingerprints. Its 360-degree swivel pull-down sprayer has two different modes, spray to stream modes. Spray mode helps to clean the sink and wash fruits and vegetables gently. On the other side, stream mode helps to fill large pots and vases quickly. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.